so I really hope I was recording, but if not, I've been going in with my transition shade in the color Cayenne with this Naked Heat palette. But I just can't believe it's October. I can't believe the Christmas decorations are about to come out, guys. I'm 1 month from putting out my Christmas decor. I love my Christmas decor. I have not changed it really. I really haven't changed it in like quite some time, so I might add like a few more decor things, but I will link my holiday decor video down below for you guys to check out. So yeah, super excited about the holiday season. I love the holiday season, especially since I'm not working retail anymore. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with ashes. Again, I just want this to be like a really, I'll like insert some like Pinterest pictures of like what I'm kind of going for, but I kind of want it to be like a little darker than normal. I don't know if I'm using the right, kind of like a smoky eye, but like super natural. Like this is probably something you could still wear every day. That's kind of what I'm going for. We're just going in with ashes. Okay, so let's chat about makeup. I've seen a lot of new makeup come out, but if you guys have seen my last videos, I'm kind of officially, I don't want to say officially, but I feel like I'm just like not buying makeup right now. 2 reasons. 1, it's not really in the budget, and 2, I already have so much makeup, and I'm like, the amount of makeup that's coming out right now, I don't even think it's good quality. I mean, of course it's good quality, but like it's just like ridiculous. I'm kind of like, can we just go back to like really cool makeup looks and teaching each other like, how to do a smoky eye? I'm tired of people reviewing like every new thing that drops. Where is the makeup looks? Yeah, that's kind of where I stand. Now I'm going in with In Fuego in here to kind of blend this all out. I'm trying to think if there's anything like crazy good that's out right now that I can think of. And the fact that I can't think of anything probably says there's nothing too crazy good out there. Yeah, we're gonna have to really blend this out. I'm just gonna take this brush and just go through and blend out everything. I didn't apply any eyeshadow to this or anything, so I'm just gonna take it and blend it out a lot, just so everything looks seamless and a little bit more natural. I'm gonna get rid of any harshness. Okay, I feel like it turned kind of purpley. I guess that's what this color is, and Fuego is pretty purple. I'm gonna go in with it again, just in the center of my eye so it's really built up. Okay, no idea how this is really gonna look, because I don't really do looks like this, you guys. Like my eyeshadow looks have been pretty basic and the same for the most of my makeup YouTube stint thing. We'll see what happens, but for this look you're definitely gonna need some eyeliner, so we're gonna go in. This is mascara. I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree eyeliner. Okay, so I applied a pretty kind of like a thick layer of eyeliner just because I want, since I don't wear lashes, I kind of want my mascara lashes to stand out, but we'll get to that in a second. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add some foundation and do our face base. So I'm gonna be using my Neutrogena Skin Clearing Complexion Perfector. This is in the color Deep 50 as my primer. I really like using this when I have acne, and it's not really a primer. I don't know why I started using this. Well, I started using it as a primer because this could never be like a like BB cream. I think that's what it's intended to be. So it's like, oh, I'll just use it underneath my makeup, and I feel like it helps a lot with acne, but sometimes I feel like it helps with my smile line. Foundation of choice today is the Revlon Color Stay Full Cover, and I'm actually going to just be applying this with a brush today. This is probably like my second favorite drugstore foundation, right next to Revlon Color Stay, like the original one. I feel like this literally is just like my skin in a bottle, like my perfect skin in a bottle. And somehow with their terrible shade range, this color works for me. So yeah, do you guys see that? Like, it's affordable and it's literally like my skin perfected in a bottle. Okay, eventually I will lay the wig down. Just hang with me, friends, hang with me. Okay, then I'm just gonna fix my hyperpigmentation. Then we're gonna go in with a second layer just on my cheeks. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. This isn't, I personally like a thicker concealer, guys, especially when it gets cooler, because I know my skin can handle it without sweating off. But this just so happened to be the closest concealer right next to me, so I was like, oh, why not? I also use this to outline my brows too. But it's not bad. If you guys like a lightweight concealer, this is actually perfect. It is really, really comparable to the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. But if you guys are like me and like the thicker one, the e.l.f. Camo concealer is the way to go. And I love that they're both only $5. Like, I don't think it gets much better than that. I'm gonna talk about affordable slay. Okay, next, you guys know I love me some Airspun powder. I'm just so happy, like the summer is over. I can't believe it's October, but the fact that I don't have to like put so much Airspun on my face anymore to get a look is just gonna be amazing. I can switch to some other powders that aren't so much like oil control because I'm not as oily in the winter. It's just, I just feel like it's gonna be a great holiday season, guys. Okay, so before we blend this in, I hate when that happens. We're just going, like there's so much. We're just gonna let this, you know, sit on my face a little bit while we add a little blush. You guys know, I'm just really basic. I almost shouldn't be filming YouTube videos because I use the same thing all the time. So I know people are like, what the heck, like show us something new, but I'm like, if it works, you should just stick to it, and this works. I do want to try a new blush, but I just feel so like why switch if it works, you know? But I keep asking you guys to recommend me new blushes, and no one really does. So I'm like, I don't know. I should be telling you guys what to look for so I can understand why, but kick it. You guys know I love my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, so I'm actually gonna use my blush brush and go in underneath. Usually I do this the other way around, but it's a little different today. And then I'm just going to take an eyeshadow brush to do my nose. Ooh, this is not perfect at all. That's okay. And then just add some up here. Okie dokie. My nose. Okay. I feel like this is a little bit down further, so I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit more. Okay, so while this all gets configured, let's go ahead and add some bottom eyeliner. I really need to go to the store and get some. Oh gosh. Okay, that was scary. I literally just put an eyelash on my eye. But I really need to go to the store and get some eye remover stuff. Because last night I didn't have any, and I woke up with like all types of black under my eye, and I was just like, oh no. My favorite, I keep looking over to see if I ran out of time. But my favorite, this is hard to do and talk, so just 1 second, guys. Ooh, okay, so my favorite eye makeup remover is the Neutrogena one. I haven't really found one that compares to anything like that. So yeah, I've tried the Target one. It's not the same. Like the Neutrogena one is it's just the best. Okay, so we're gonna be using these two mascaras. It is our Essence Lash Princess and our Rimmel Wonderfully Real. If you guys have not seen this video for this Essence Lash Princess, you guys have to go watch it. This is like the best mascara I've come across. This beats, I can't believe I'm saying it, but this beats Maybelline Falsies. And I love Maybelline Falsies. Now I'm just going in with Wonderfully Real on top. I don't feel like I'm getting the lash look I want, but we will carry on. I think before the end of this year, I'm gonna have to learn how to put on lashes because this right here just isn't, I don't think I'm creating like those like YouTuber looks that I'm supposed to be. I feel like my looks right now are just really basic, and it's because I don't know how to put on lashes. And I feel like once I learn how to put on lashes, I'm gonna change the game. Alright, this is weird. So usually this eye looks way better than this eye, but for some reason, the past couple of days, this eye has been looking real good. Okay. It's not amazing, but it will do. And a little bit more of the Wonderfully Real on top of the Lash Princess. Okay, so next we're going to take our brush in the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color Neutral, and we're just going to add some powder on top, blend everything out, and make it look a little more natural. And when I get to the parts where I put like concealer and blush, I kind of just like to pat it down so I don't rub away like where I put the product, especially in here. Okay, I just want to tap on it. You don't want to go like, because you're just gonna rub it all over the place. But up here, you can kind of do what you want. All right, so since we're finally into fall, I want to use this. One of my friends bought this for me. It is Kat Von D. Say what you want, but she makes some really bomb liquid lipsticks. So this is in the color Exorcism. I don't think it's gonna come out this dark, but we will see. Ooh, it does, because Kat Von D is so good with her lip products. Okay, so I feel like on camera this is a lot more purple, or it's a lot more red than it is purple, but this is really purple, guys. And Kat Von D lip products are so bomb. Like, they stay on all day, they don't really transfer. I know people have their opinions about her. It's just, it's bomb, and I feel like at this point, because people have so many opinions about her, you can probably find this at like Ross or TJ Maxx. My friend bought this for me though. So happy, I really like it. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. Super simple. This is definitely something that you can wear every day to work. If you don't want to go out with like the super dark purple lip, just fix it up for like, you can switch it out for something neutral. But I just love how simple. I know it didn't come out as like dark and bold as I thought it would be, but I just love how simple it is for like an everyday look. You can wear it out for a date night. Just very simple. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below in the comments what video you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.